Welcome to the Vera project. It's that time of year. Christmas is coming up, and we're going to be doing some DIY Christmas decorations from the dollar store and Target dollar section for those of you that like to start Christmas early. So these are the first two that we're going to be doing today in this video. So I got this item at Target. Some items are $3 or $5. So this one was $3. And then I got this pre-cut stickers already made at Target for $1, and then I got this at the dollar store. So since this is kind of simple, I was gonna put some wrapping paper I got from the dollar store, and I'm gonna put it behind it. So I'm gonna put this here. Okay, just put a few dots here really quick before it dries out. Just be careful not to get any on the glass. And make sure that you clean the glass before you do this as well. Okay, I'm gonna do one side really quick. Alright, I'm gonna go backwards here. Okay, and press. And that's how it should look. Just gives it more color to it. Now this frame, you can paint it white, you know, if you want to change the color, but we're just gonna leave it like that. And now we're gonna add the stickers that are pre-cut already. Like that. And then to add more color to it, we can add this here. Okay, and here's the final project. Nice cute little wall decoration. And then you just have to hang it from the back. Okay, I got this from the dollar section area from Target. This was about, I think it was like $3. And then I got these pre-cut at Target too for $1. So for those that don't like a lot of color, we can do this for Christmas, nice and soft. So we're gonna turn it around and make sure that this is facing the right way. You know, make sure that this is facing the right way. So turn it around like that. And then, very simple to do, you just cut the letters out. Okay, so we put on the letters. Okay, and then we had to use a craft knife set in order to take the little areas out that didn't come out. So we had to use this, which we already did. So now I'm just gonna add a little decoration to it. I got these bells from the dollar store. I'm gonna hot glue them really quick. Good. And there you go, a nice and simple decoration for Christmas with no color, if that's what you prefer.